I am Dr. Louis Fomba, General Manager and CEO of DIIWT Institute Cameroon and DIIWT Institute of Inspection and Welding Technology Cameroon. We have instituted huge actions in Cameroon in line with the National Development Strategy of Cameroon 2020-2030 for industry development in Cameroon in collaboration with the government of Cameroon for an emerging nation by 2035, which is the vision of the Head of State President of the Republic of Cameroon. One of our core areas is quality education for development of human capital to power industry development in Cameroon. The 2-year training and certification programs of Welding Technologist and Inspection Technologists in Cameroon, first of its kind in the country by DIIWT Institute of Inspection and Welding Technology Cameroon, shall empower aspiring Cameroonians with the skills in design, welding, and inspection. They shall be able to use advanced cutting, welding, and inspection processes applicable in manufacturing industry today for fabrication and construction. At the end of the training program, candidates shall obtain diploma qualifications in welding technology as welding technologists and inspection technology as inspection technologists, including certifications in welding processes from the manual, semi-automated, and automated welding process. And in non-destructive testing, we have ultrasonic testing, radiographic testing, manual particle inspection, penetrant testing, visual inspection, and the advanced MDT inspection method. Training is scheduled to commence in October 2023.